We wanted to differentiate the two bar spaces, but have some continuity between them. So we have a vertical stained curved cabinetry here, and it has kind of a rough sawn front so that we get that rustic modern vibe. And then we have the coolest part, which is the Zalige tile that is this blue tone that goes from countertop all the way to the ceiling. We didn't feel like we had to match the stain of the shelves to the cabinetry. Rather, we painted them to coordinate and completely blend in with the backsplash. So we got this impact of color on the back wall. In the second bar in the home, we have 2 wine refrigerators, a dishwasher, and then we have a hammered sink and an industrial faucet. So this bar opens up to a living room area and kind of where they hang out and play lots of games. We have a shuffleboard, a pool table, there are even game tables outside. But I think that the real magic is happening in this living space here. Like, can you even believe that this is a basement? We have tall ceilings. We have views for days out of multiple angles. I think that everything about this says modern mountain home, and in the Studio McGee way, because we've got